Hi everyone, next one is the sequencing problem. If three machines are given, okay na, previously we deal the sequencing problem in the last video. If two machines are given, how to solve that. Now in this three machines are given or three sequencings are given, so how to find out, three bits are given. So replacement item, resetting item and inspection item, or machine 1, machine 2, machine 3 will be given, or sometime J1, J2, J3 will be given. Question will be given like this: a company use its maintenance crew, okay na, a company use its maintenance crew in the three items for their preventive maintenance for their heavy vehicle, okay na, protective maintenance for their heavy vehicle. First team took after the replacement of warm out part, and the second oiling and resetting, the third, and the third checking and testing the running estimate time for the maintenance for each of the vehicle is given in our. The following are the table are given in your question. Find the sequencing and reschedule them so that the minimum total elapsed time and the idle time. So you have to find out two things in that. First one is the elapsed time, second is the idle time. So here like this table is given in your question. What is given table? As you can see here, item or vehicle number is given. So vehicle number 1, vehicle number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and replacement item, then resetting time and inspection team, resetting team or inspection team. So what is given here? 3, 8, 7, 4, 9, 8, 7. Next one is a 4, 3, 2, 5, 1, 4, 3. Next one is the 6, 7, 5, 11, 5, 6. This one is the 12. Like this is given. Total number of vehicle, how many are given? 7. If you observe the previous problem for the replacement and this problem, what is the difference between these two? Here 3 are given. So this one you consider as the machine 1, and this one you consider as the machine 2, and this one you consider as the machine 3. So what you have to do? You have to check. See here, this one is known as M1, this one is known as M2, this is R1, R2 or R3, row 1, row 2 or row 3. First you have to check row 3 is greater than row 2 or not. 6 is greater than 4, 7 is greater than 3, 5 is greater than 2, 11 is greater than 5, 1 is 5 is greater than 1, 6 is greater than 4, 12 is greater than 3. So it's mean that M3 is greater than M2. You can write like this, okay na, M3 is M3 is greater than M2, M3 is greater than M2. So like this you have to create the box, okay na, M3 is greater than M2. So what you have to do? This 4 is given. What is given here in middle? What is given here? 4. This 4 you have to add this side as well as this side. 3 you have to add this side and as well as this side. 2 you have to add this side as well as this side to find out the sequencing. Then 5 you have to add this side as well as this side. 1 you have to add this side as well as this side. 4 you have to add this side as well as this side. 3 you have to add this side as well as this side. Like this you have to first find out that one, okay na. So here I will write the first vehicle number. What I have to write here? Vehicle number, VEHICLE, vehicle number. So vehicle number 1, 2, 3, next one is the 4, next one is the 5 and this is 6 and this one is the 7. So total how many number of vehicles are there here? 7s are there. Total how many numbers of vehicle are there? So here you can write WC1, okay na, and here you can write WC2. First one is the WC1, next one is the WC2, first one is the WC1, second one is the WCT. Now after that, as you can see here, this is the 4. 4 you can add here as well as here. So what I have to write here? 3 plus 4. So 3 plus 4. Next one is the, here also you can do, what you have to do? 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6. Next 3. This 3 you have to add here as well as here. So this is 8 plus 3. Then this is 3 plus 7. Next one, what is here? 2. So here I can write 7 plus 2. Then here 2 plus 5. Next one, what is given here? What is given here? 5. So here 4 plus 5. Then here 5 plus 11. Next one is, what is given here? 1. So 9 plus 1. Then 1 plus 5. Next one, what is given here? 4. So, 8 plus 4. Next one is the 4 plus 6. Next, what is given here? 3. So, 7 plus 3, then 3 plus 12. Like this you have to add. The middle one you have to add the first one, and the middle one you have to add the second one. Middle one you have to add the first one, and middle one you have to add the second one. After adding this one, what you will get? You will get the summation of this one. How much summation of this one will be? 7. Next one, summation of this one be how much? 11. Next one is the 9. Next one is the 9. Okay, now next one is the 10. Next one is the 12. Next one is the 10. Okay, na? Then in bottom also you have to do same like this only. So, here this one will become the sum of this 2 is 10, then sum of this 2 is 10, then this one is equal to 7, then next one is equal to 16, this one is 16, next one is equal to 6, next one is equal to how much you will get? 10, next is equal to how much you will get? 15. So, like this you get answer, that is 7, 11, 9, 9, 10, 12, 10. Next one is the 10, 10, 7, 16, 6, 10, and this one is the 15. Okay, na? After that you have to create the frequency. So, like this you have to create the box. First one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total how many are there? 7 vehicles are there. So, here I will write what is the value here? 7. Next one is the 11. Next one is the 9. Next one is the 9. Next one is the 10. Next one is the 12. Next one is the 10. Then this one is also 10. This one is also 10. Then this one is 7. This one is 16. Next one is the 16. Next one is the 10, and this one is the 5. Okay, na? Here WC1, this is WC2, this is WC1, WC2, and here I can write 1, this one is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this one is 5, this is 6, this is 7. Okay, now what is given? What is given? Your medium here, vehicle. So, V, I will write V, otherwise you can write C, or otherwise you can write the alphabet also. It is up to you can write the alphabet. Now, the first thing you have to check the least value. Which one is the least value? 7, 7, 7, 6, 6, 6, less than 6. Any least value is there less than 6 here? No, 6 is one is the least value, 6 one is the least value. Here you can write WC1, okay, na? And here you can write WC2, WC1 and WC2, WC1 from left to right and WC2 from right to left. You have to remember this one, left to right and right to left, left to right and right to left. Now, which one is the least number? This one is the least number, this one is the least number, cancel this one. Now, 6 is lying in WC2, 5, WC2, 5. So, here I will write first C V5, what I have to write here? V5, what I have to write here? V5. After that I have to eliminate this column. What I have to do? I have to eliminate this column. After that again you have to create like this box, okay, na? Like this box again you create, and whatever the remaining numbers are there you write down that one. This one is known as WC1 and this one is known as WC2, and here 1, this is 2, this one is 3, this one is 4, this one is 6, this one is 7, 5 will be vanish, okay, na? 5 is eliminated. Now, next one is the 7, this is 11, this is 9, this one 9, this one is 12 and this one is 10, and here 15, this is 10, this one is 16, then 7, then 10, then 10. After getting this one, what you have to do again? See here, this value is known as, okay, na? Already I got the value. This one is known as WC1, WC1, and this one is known as WC2, and here you got the value V5. How much you got? V5. After that again you have to select for the least number. Which one is the least number? Previous one is the 6 is there, okay, now here 7 is there, 7 is lying here as well as here in different in machine 1 and machine 2 7 is lying. So, you can select any one, no need to calculate. So, first I am selecting this one. If I selected this one, I have to cancel this one. See, in machine 1 1, machine 1 1. So, here I can write the V1. What I can write here? V1. What I can write here? V1. After that I have to eliminate this one. What I have to do? I have to eliminate this column. Okay na? Then you have to create like this another box. Okay na? Here I will write whatever the previous one I got. Here I got the V1 and here I got the V5, and this one is known as the CW1 and this one is known as the CW2. First one is known as the CW1 and the second one is known as the CW2, CW1 and CW2. So, here V1 and V4 and the remaining values you have to write down in that. Remaining whatever the value is there, here 2 is there, and next one is the remaining 3 and here 4 and this one is the 6 and this one is the 7. So, 11, this is 10, 9, this is 9, 7, this is 16, this is 12, this is 10, this one is also 10 and this one is 15. Like this I got. Okay na? After that you have to search for the next least number. Next least number already you know what is the next least number, 7. If you cancel this one, okay na, if you cancel this one, so this one is lying in WC1 and this one is lying in WC2, in WC2 3, WC2 3. So, here you can write V3. What you can write here? V3. What you can write here? V3, because in WC2 3, WC2 3. So, here you can write the V3. After getting this V3, next step here you have to write WC1 and this one is known as WC2 and leftover term, this one is known as 2 and this one is known as 4, this one is known as 6 and this one is known as 7. Whatever the leftover frequency is there, first you have to write down. Then here value is 11 and this one is known as 10 and here value is 9, this is 16 and this is 12 and this one is 10 and this one is 10 and this one is the 15, and here you got the value V1 and here you got V5 and this one you got V3. This one is known as WC1, okay na, and this one is known as WC2. First one is known as WC1 and the second one is known as WC2. After that, what is the next step? What is the next step? Again you have to select for the least number. As you can see the least number here. What is the least number here? 9. So, if you select the 9, WC1 is lying on 4, WC1, this is WC1 lying on CV4. So, here you can write the V4, here you can write the V4. After that, whatever the remaining numbers are there, that one you have to write, that is 2 is there, 6 is there and 7 is there. So, this one is known as WC1 and this one is known as WC2, WC1 and WC2. Here what is the number? 11, this is 10, this one is 12, this one is 10, this one is 10 and this one is a 15. This one is known as WC1 and this one is known as WC2. So, here what is the value? V1 and this value is known as V4 and this value is known as V3 and this value is known as V5. This value is known as V5. After that, again you have to select the least number. What you have to do? You have to select the least number. As you can see here, least number is 10. As you can see here, here 10, here 10 and here 10. So, what you have to do whenever like that situation is come, 3 times or 4 times or 2 times you are getting the same number, least number is the same. So, what you have to do? You have to add this one. If you add this one, how much you are getting? 25. How much you are getting? 22. How much you are getting? 22. So, which one is the higher value? This one is the higher value, because you are getting here how much? 25. So, cancel this one. As you can see, WC1 is lying on 7, WC1 is lying on 7. So, here you can write V7. What you can write here? V7. First you have to add. If you are getting same number, then you have to add this one. How much you are getting? 21, 22, 25. So, this column is having higher priority compared to the other 2 columns. So, first try to solve this one, okay na? Then after that, whatever the remaining is there, that one you have to write. So, remaining here what is there? 2 is there, next one is the 6 is there and this one is known as WC1 and this one is known as WC2, WC1 and WC2. Here 11, next is 10, here 12, next term is 10, and whatever you got WC1 frequency and this one is WC2, okay na. Here this one is known as V1, this one is known as V4, okay na. This one is known as V1 and this one is known as V4, here this one is known as V7, this one is known as V7, and this one is known as V3, and this one is known as V5. Now the last term, as you can see, if you add this one, how much you are getting? 21. If you add this one, how much you are getting? 22. So better to take the higher value. Higher value means this value. You have to cancel this one. Okay, na? You have to. So here in W2C, in WC2, 6. Okay, na? WC2, how much? What is the value here? 6. So here you can write the V6. Here you can write the V6. One is left. Okay, na? Still one is left. So what you have to do is, after that what you have to do for finding that one, this is the least value, cancel this one. So WC1, 2 is there. So here you can write the V2, here you can write the V2 like that, 11, and here you can write the 10. First one is the 11, then next, this is the least value, this is the 2, this one is known as WC1, and this one is known as WC2, WC1, WC2. So cancel this one. So here you will get like this. Okay, na? The first one you are getting V1, second one you are getting V4, next you are getting V7, next you are getting V2, next you are getting V6, next you are getting V3, and the last one you are getting V5. V stand for vehicle. So here you got the sequencing 1 4 7 2 6 3 5, 1 4 1 4 7 2 6 3 5. Here this is the sequencing, this one is the sequencing. After getting this sequencing, what you have to do, you have to create the box. So as you can see here, like this you have to create the box. So first one you have to write team vehicle number. What you have to write? The vehicle number. First one is the machine 1, this is machine 2, and this is machine 3. Idle time for machine 1, idle time for machine 2 process, and idle time for machine 3 process. So here in repair out, and here also in repair out, and idle time simultaneously you have to calculate. So finally what you got the sequencing. So first you have to try to write down the sequencing, how much you got the sequencing. So V1, after that V4, first one is the V1, then V4, then is the V7, then is the V2, next one is the V6, next one is the V3, next one is the V5. Like this you got the sequencing V1, V4, V7, V2, V6, V3, V5. This one is the sequencing. Whenever you are going for that, first you have to start with 0. You have to start with 0. Now in machine 1, in the first column, whatever is given in your question in first column, you have to find out that values. You have to find out that values. As you can see here, this is your first column. Okay, na? What is the value? 3874,987. 3874,987. In this replacement terms only you have to write down the value. So here what is given? V1. As you can see here, V1, what is the value here? 3 is there. So here you can write the 3. 0 plus 3, how much will be? 3 only. Okay, na? Then 3 you can write here. 3 you can write here. Okay, na? After that in machine V4, what is the value? V4, as you can see here, 4. So here you can write the 4. So how much it is? 7. This 7 you can write this side. Okay, na? 7 you can write this side. After that, which machine is there? 7. In 7, what is the value here? 7. So 7 7, how much is there? 14. So here also you can write 7. 7 7, so how much is there? 14. So 14 here you can write. Next one is the V2. Next one is the V2. V2, how much value is there? As you can see here, 8. What is the value here? 8. If you write here 8, so here 14 plus 8, how much it will be? 22. So 22 you can write here, 22. Then V6, as you can see here, V6, what is the value here? 8. So write here 8. So how much you will get? 30. 30 write on here, and 30, that 30 only you can transfer here. Next one is the V3. In V3, what is the value here? 7. So write down the 7. So sum of these two is how much? 37. That 37 only you can transfer here. That 37 only you can transfer here. After that V5, what is the value here? 9 is there. 37 plus 9, how much it is there? 46. So here you can write the 46. Okay, na? Like this you can fill the first one. First one is known as the replacement item. First one is known as the replacement item. After C, whatever the ending point is there for the first one, same starting point is 3 only. Idle time is will be how much for machine 2? 3. Idle time will be how much for machine 2? 3 will be there. Idle time will be how much for machine 2? 3 will be there. Okay, na? Then again you have to find out in machine 2 whatever the values are there. As you can see 4, 3, 2, 5, 1, 4, 3. This is the values for machine 2. 4, 3, 2, 5, 1, 4, 3. So, here what is the value is given? V1 in V1. V1 as you can see here, what is the value here? 4. So, here you can write the 4. So, sum of this one should be 7. 7 you can transfer here. 7 you can transfer here. Next one is what is the value here? V4. In V4 as you can see here V4, what is the value here? 5. So, here you can write the 5. The sum of these two should be how much? 12. If you transfer 12 here, this is the higher value. If you transfer 12 here, this is the higher value. Higher value how much is there? 14. So, better to write 14. And how much you are getting difference? 2. How much you are getting difference? 2. That 2 you write here, idle time. How much you are getting difference? In that row only, how much you are getting difference? 2. So, that 2 you have to write. Then 7, okay na? In 7, what is the value here? 3. So, here you can write the 3. So, how much you will getting? 17. 17 if you transfer here, but what is the value here? 22. So, better to write the 22, better to write the 22, and the difference of this how much will be there? 5. That one you write here. Then V2, in V2 machine 2 value is there, V2, what is the value here? 3. So, how much you are getting? 25. 25 you can transfer here, but this is the highest value. So, better to write the highest value, better to write the highest. How much you are getting difference? That difference you can write here. How much you are getting difference? 5. Then after that V6, in V6 as you can see V6, what is the value here? 4. So, how much you are getting? 34. 34 you can transfer here, but this is the higher value. So, higher value you have to write. After that how much you are getting difference here? 3. That 3 you can write here, okay na? Then V3, 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 as you can see V3, what is the value here? 2 is there. So, this one will become 39. 39 you can transfer here, but this is the higher value. This one is the highest value compared to 39. So, higher value you have to write. How much difference you are getting? How much your difference you are getting? 7. Okay, na? 7 you write here. 7 you write here. Then next one is the V5. V5, what is the value here? 1. If you write here 1, how much you will get in? 47. How much you will get? 47. So, here this is the resetting team or resetting time. So, first one is the replacement time is over, as you can see. First one is the replacement is over. Second one is the resetting, and next one is the inspection time. Which time is there? Inspection time. So, here what is the ending time here? 7. So, start from 7 and idle time will be 7. Idle time how much will be there? 7 is there. Idle time is equal to how much is there? Then V1. In V1, what is the value here? 6 is there. So, here you can write the 6, 6, 6, 12, this is the 13. 13 you can transfer here because 12 is less number. 12 is less number. Compared to this number and this number, compare this cumulative number. In cumulative number, which one is the highest number? You have to write here. Suppose this one is the highest here, you have to write the highest number. If you borrow from the B side, if you borrow from the B side, then this one you have to write here, and whatever you are getting difference, that difference you have to write. Then V4, V4, what is the value V4? 11. So, here you can write the 11. So, this one is equal to how much? 24. This one is equal to how much? 24. How much you are getting? 24. So, 24 you can write here, okay, na? 24 you can write here. Then V7, 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 how much you are getting? V7, 12. What you have to write here? 12. So, this one is equal to how much? 36. 36 you can write here, okay, na? Then V2, 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 how much you are getting? 7. How much you are getting here? 7. So, better to write here 7, okay, now how much you are getting? 43. So, 43 you can transfer this side, 43 you can transfer this side. After getting that 43, next you have to see the sequencing. V6, V6, what is the value here? 6. So, here you can write the 49, 49 you can transfer this side, 49 you can transfer this side. After that, what is the value you are getting? V3. In V3, what is the value here? 5. So, here you are getting 54. How much you are getting? 54. So, 54 you can transfer here. So, here I am writing 54. Then V5. In V5, how much you are getting? 5. So, better to write here 5. So, how much you are getting? 59. How much you are getting? 59. So, here idle time is this one only. So, here for machine 1 idle time, for machine 2 idle time, for machine 3 idle time. Okay, after getting this value, machine 1 output, how much is the output? 46, and machine 2 output, how much is the output? 47, and machine 3 output, how much is output? 59. So, what you have to do? First you have to subtract the last machine 3, 59 minus 46, 59 minus 46, this is 59 minus 46, how much you are getting? 13. So, here you have to write the idle time is equal to how much will be there? 13. Idle time is equal to how much will be there? 30. Then 59 minus 47. How many is there? 12. So, here you can write idle time is equal to 12. Idle time is equal to how much? 12. So, here you can write the total idle time. Total idle time is equal to how much? 13 plus 37. 13 plus 37, 37 plus 7, okay na. So, here you are getting total how much you are getting? 57, how much you are getting? 57, 13 plus 37 plus then 7. So, total how much you are getting? 57, okay na. Total how much you are getting? 57. For machine 1 idle time is 13, for machine 2 idle time is sum of these two. For machine 3 idle time is this. So, this is total machine idle time, okay na. This is total idle time for machine 2. So, here I am getting how much? 37. So, total idle time is equal to how much? 57. Total idle time is equal to how much? 57. Like this you have to find out machine 1, machine 2, machine 3, machine 1, machine 2 and machine 3. So, sum of this one. So, 59 minus 46, how much? 39. Then 59 minus 47, how much it is? 12. Then 59 minus 59, how much will be? 0. The machine 1 time, machine 2 time and machine 3 time. If you add this, how much you will get? Total 57. Like this you have to solve problem based upon the sequencing.